Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. Located in Panorama Cove, a 5-star gated 55+ park, this 2-bedroom 2-bath home offers a chance to buy low and style it to your taste. Nestled among the foothills, the location of this park offers beautiful views and great amenities for your enjoyment. While you will need to bring a paintbrush and install new flooring, this home does offer some important improvements: a new roof 9 years ago, new AC and condenser, refurbished furnace, Nest thermostat, French doors in the master bedroom that lead to the porch, and a nice storage shed that offers additional storage. The interior features high ceilings and textured drywall throughout. Newer vanities in both baths. A large walk-in closet in the master.